Well, hey there, John here, and I'm back in the Eastman Discovery Lab at the Hands-On Discovery Center, and it is another Fire Friday. Because this is a fire experiment, I have to say, do not try this at home. Definitely not without adult permission and assistance, because we are using fire, and fire is dangerous. But today, we are going to be using a couple different kinds of fuel and adding some chemicals that you probably have around the house to actually change the fire's properties. But first, give me 1 second. I'm going to go dim the lights. And we're back. Can you see me? Hi, hello, hello. So as I said, we have two different types of fuel here that we're going to try out because I want to see which one is going to be best to maybe change the color of it. This one is methanol. It's actually used, it's sold in automobile shops to actually help clean out the linings of engines. So we're going to pour a little bit of that into the bowl here. And this one is our good old friend isopropyl alcohol. 91% because I want it to burn really well. Add some of that to this bowl. And we're going to light them up and just see how they burn, how they look. First, the methanol and the isopropyl. Right away, I notice a very, very distinct difference. The methanol burns kind of this dim, subtle blue color, whereas the isopropyl alcohol is this bright, vibrant orange color. That's going to be a little tricky to try to change its properties because it's so bright and yellow already. So I think we're going to put the isopropyl alcohol away and stick with the heat here, the methanol. Let's go ahead and put those out really quick. And introduce to you guys what we're going to be adding. Here we have some good old-fashioned table salt in this bowl here. In this one we have, it's called potassium chloride. It's actually no salt. It's a salt substitute right there. In this one we have a chemical called boric acid. It's sold as like an ant or roach killer. And last but not least, we have some hand sanitizer, and it is actually a pretty good fuel on its own. But to the rest of these, we're going to add just a few drops of our heat, our methanol fuel, and see what it looks like when it burns. But before we do that, safety first. All right, starting with, let's do the salt first. If I can remember how to work the lighter. All right. Give it a second to kind of warm. Ooh, interesting. Starting to change colors a little bit. And the no salt. Kind of similar. I notice a little bit more yellowish in the, oh, there we go. A little bit more yellow flame here. This one, it's staying pretty purple. Over here, the hand sanitizer, it's a little bit more blue. Oh, here we go. Now we got the sodium. The salts are actually going to start burning a light orangish color. But my favorite one, absolutely, is the boric acid. When we light that, whoa! It actually looks green. It looks like something from a Harry Potter movie. It's magical and spooky. But the reason for this is these are metallic salts. There we go. Now we have it going. And when you heat them up with the fire, it actually energizes the atoms. And the electrons will actually go to an unstable state. They return or release that energy in the form of light. And because they're different chemicals, they actually give off different amounts of light energy. But right now I'm going to turn these off because I don't want to set off any fire alarms. Thank you guys so much for watching today. If you liked this video, be sure to give us a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to our channel so you never miss a new updated video. And also in the description below, we'll be listing some science standards that are related to making fire colorful. Also, there'll be information down below on how you guys at home can help support our channel and help us keep the science alive. But right now, there's actually a cupcake over there with my name on it, and I'm getting hungry. So have a great weekend, guys. Bye.